Here's how to check if your subwoofer is paired or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is of course go to your subwoofer and set it up. So the first thing that you can do is to press on the button that you can see from it. Once you press on the button, there is a white light that will appear. This means that your subwoofer is already on. Now for you to be able to see if it's already paired, you have to long press the button. When you long press the button for about 5 seconds, you will see the white and red lights. This means that your subwoofer is now ready to pair. But the last thing for you to be able to see if your subwoofer is already paired is that when you look at your soundbar, you will see there the ID set. So when you see the ID set, it means subwoofer is already paired to your soundbar or any device that you want to pair with it.